Hi, and welcome to the Infomedia training on how to add a blog post to your WordPress website. My name is Carrie, and I'm going to be walking you through the training today. Okay, let's share my screen. So first you go to the back end or admin side of your website, like we're seeing right here. And remember, to reorient ourselves, we want to look at this left-hand sidebar over here. So we find posts in that left-hand sidebar, click it, and then we see a list of all our blog posts. So in order to, if you want to check out this list of posts, if you want to edit one or trash it or preview it, you just hover over the name of the post and you get all these options. So if you want to edit an existing post, you can click edit here and it'll let you do that. You can also get rid of it, you can preview it and see what it looks like. Now, if you accidentally trash a post, remember that you can get it back, especially for a day or two. So don't worry, don't freak out. If you do it, you can fix it right away. Okay, to search for more posts, if you're not seeing the one that you want in this list here, it's probably just on the second page. So if you go to the top of your list of posts and look to the top right, you see where you can toggle back and forth between different pages. So there are more posts on the next page. So you can find a post that way. You can also find a post by searching for keyword. So again, right at the top right above your list of posts, you can type in, say, pumpkin, and search your posts, and if our internet works, it'll pull up the post that has pumpkin in it. So that's how you find a post. Now say you want to add a new blog post. You go to this left-hand side again and click posts, and then you go to add new. And if you're in an individual post, or if you're in the list and you click add new, it'll do the same exact thing. So anyway, as long as it says posts up here, and then you're in the post menu on the left-hand sidebar, you're great. So click add new, and this is just how you add a new post. So you would start with your title, so you add your title here, pumpkins forever, we'll use that again. And then you can add your post, text, and whatever you want to do. You can type it right there, or you can copy it in. You can format that however you want. You can add a photo if you want to. If you don't know how to do those, you want to find our video on using your content editor. That'll teach you how to use all these options here. Or you can watch our video on using your media library, and that'll teach you how to add a picture. But for now, we just want to add a post. When we get it how we like it, we go up to this top right, this publish box right here. And first I just click save draft. Now WordPress saves your drafts for you pretty regularly, but I am kind of paranoid, so I just like to click save and make sure it's saved. You can also preview the post. Now when you preview this, it's going to open up another window to show you what your post will look like. This post looks weird because we hardly have any text, but it's just an example, so it'll be okay. Now, if you have the preview window open and you want to get back to where you were before, you can either X out of this and close this window, or you can just click back and look at the other tab. Okay, so we're back on the back end. We previewed it, say we're ready to publish. You can either publish using this blue button, or you can edit the page, or you can edit the pub date. So say you want this to publish maybe like tomorrow morning or the day after. To do that, you just look where it says publish immediately, and there's this little calendar here, and you can click edit. And then you can change when it's going to publish. So instead of today, let's say I want it to publish tomorrow morning. I'm just going to put the next day, and maybe I'm going to put 6:00 a.m. And then you want to click OK when you have the date that you want. And now, see, it's changed to schedule for tomorrow, and it has your time. You want to change it to a different time, you just click edit again and change it right there. And you see that the publish button has changed to a schedule button, because now you're not publishing it right now, you're just adding it to the queue to be published later. So you want to keep an eye on that. When you hit schedule, that button's going to change again, and it's going to say update, because now it's already scheduled, it's in the queue to publish. And if you already had published it, it would also change to update. so that you can still make changes and do whatever you want to do, and then you just update it and would pass on your changes right there. All right, so thank you for joining me on how to add a blog post. If you want to add a page to your website, it works the same way. You just find pages instead of posts and use that menu. If you want to learn to use anything else or be walked through the entire back end for WordPress beginners, we have a video on that too. Just look at our training videos on our website or get in touch with our support team. It's support@infomedia.com, or you can call us at 205-823-4440. Thanks so much, and good luck. Have fun adding blog posts to your page.